Hello and welcome to the new tutorial. In this tutorial we will make this awesome button, infinite button. So let's begin. First let's open our code editor. I have already basic index HTML file and style CSS linked with the index. First we need to add a container. And inside we need to add a anchor with a class of button. Our cool button. Let's open it with a live server. Okay. Let's close this. Next, we need to open the style CSS and add a class of container. Background color set to red. Padding 300 pixels. Display flex, and let's center this button with justify content to center. And let's remove this and decrease so we can see our button. Next we need to style the button. First color set to the white. Let's remove this decoration, text decoration, to set to none. Font size 20 pixels. Background color white. It is white for now, but it will be changed later. I will show you how. Let's add a padding 10 pixels on the top and the bottom and 30 to the left and the right. Border radius. Let's add a border radius, for example 2 pixels. We need to add the index to the 0 and that's it. Next we need to add a button before. First we need to add the content. Set to nothing. Position to absolute. Need to add position relative to button. Okay. We need to add the index to -1. From the left 50%, -50%, and from the top -50%. Next, we need to add a width to 200%, double size of this, and height to 200%. Background color to black. And we need to add animation with name animate button 4-second linear infinite. We will make this animation later. Let's remove this center so you can see it better. We will back it in the center later. Next we need to add a button after the element with the content nothing, position absolute, the index set to -1, left, from the left 3 pixels, and from the top 3 pixels as well. We need to add a width to this shader element. We will use CSS calculation. 100% minus 5 pixels for the width and for the height too. And set background color to black. Our next step is to add overflow to hidden, set to hidden, to remove this button before zero element. Next is to make this animation. We will make it with the keyframes. Let's copy this keyframes element button and set it from the 0% transform set it to rotate 0 degrees. Let's copy this few times. Next is 25%. And set it to 90 degrees. Next is next is 50% and set it to 180 degrees. And the last, not the last, next is 75% and 270 degrees. Let's copy this one more time and set this to 100% and set this to 360 degrees, and we have it working. So how this works? Let's inspect this. This is the button. This is the before shadow element, and it is rotating. For the after, we have set it to the from the left 3 pixels and from the top 3 pixels. Background color for the button is white. So when this rotates, it shows little bit of the background of the button. And last step, let's set it in the center, uncomment this and save. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed in my videos. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.